Okay guys, I want to show you how I have to store these propellers. I'm going to go over these L.E.D propellers today. Test the battery life, the performance. I have a surprise for you. Not even knowing the big surprise was a crash. These batteries and these propellers are very high performance. They keep your drone very stable in the air, and I'm gonna prove that to you. But they come in this here low noise, quick release LED propellers from STARTRC, and they're 20 bucks a pair, and or on eBay you can get these for maybe $35 for four. But the performance is spectacular. I've already done a test and I'm going to show you, so stay tuned for that. But I want to show you how these L.E.D propellers are held on. 2 screws, each one has a mount that has to go, the mark has to go with the mark there and there, and of course you have to do them the same way you put any propellers on. But these now just snap on and they snap off. See, I mark them, makes it a lot easier. There's a couple of catchers here, and they go in the holes here. Put that in there like that. Kind of hold your motor here. Twist it, you're all set. Alright guys, we have the propellers on. A lot of pros and cons with these propellers. Landing gear, and I always use this. Gimbal guard is a must. If you smash or, you know, and it stops the wind, it serves a lot of purposes. So we're going to put one of them on there. Do these propellers cause the battery to drain quicker? That's the question. So we're going to try that, and then I got a little something I'm going to show you about how stable this drone is with these propellers on. So there's some pros and cons with these propellers, but they are performance-wise, it's hard to flip the drone over in the wind with these propellers on. The performance is fantastic. So let's get her up in the air. So we're going to start it up again. Whoop. Not that time.
Take off.
Well, they keep sticking now.
Take off.
Alright, there they go. So it takes them maybe a time or two to get them going with these propellers. They're a little heavier. So let's take off.
The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And we'll see how long the batteries last. I usually get, without landing gear and lights, I get about 26 minutes. But I want to show you the performance. These propellers, when you use the regular black propellers, I used to take the drone, flip it like this, and it would flip real easy. But with these, let me show you something if I can get under it. Look at that. Look at that. Man, they won't. Man, that thing's doing everything to stay in place. Watch it again. Whoa! You sneak up on it from the front. Yeah, you don't get that with the regular propellers. With the regular propellers, it would have flipped over already. Try it again. You hear that? Look at that, all the way. That's amazing. So, there you go. These propellers are much better in the wind. So you're going from probably a level 5 to a level 6 wind with these. They're nice and quiet, and the performance is fantastic. But there are some drawbacks, like it might drain the battery more, and you know, you have to put the propellers in, you have to store them a little funny, but it works. That styrofoam was in the box, and I just cut them short to fit them in the case. I suggest you get a case, you get landing gear, because it's the best way to go. So let's fly it around a bit. Okay, let's find that out. See how fast it can go in position mode. Full throttle, 1, 2, 3. See the wind blowing it off to the right? Oh boy, it took it right out of view. And wow, the wind is horrible. Didn't go that fast at all. Let's bring it back. See how fast we can go on the way back. Alright, let's see how fast it can go on the way back. And full throttle backwards. 10, 11, 14, 16. Whoa! Just missed that tweet range. That was crazy. Crazy lucky. Alright, well. Alright, let's put it in sports mode. It's definitely got an effect, especially because there's a lot of wind. The wind is coming right at me. Right at us here, so let's put it in sports mode. Okay, there's sports mode. We'll go full throttle straight ahead and we'll see how fast it goes. 1, 2, 3. 12, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so you see you're not even getting near 20 miles an hour. Let's bring it back this way now. See if we can do it without hitting a tree. With the wind at our backs, let's see how fast it'll go. Okay, we're at 18. Oh! Okay, guys, that's what happens when you're careless. I should have went out to the center, so being in the shade has cost me a blade. And let's hope, I had to switch, put these on. Let's hope the drone still flies. Thank God for the gimbal protector. Nothing happened to that. We had a broken propeller. That's about it, so we should be okay. We'll record on the drone. Let's see if she'll start.
Take off.
There it goes, okay. Yay, she ain't busted.
Please check it on the map.
A lot of wind today. If it stays up for those 20 minutes or so, I'd be happy with that. Even 20 minutes, so if you lose 4 minutes, I was getting 24 to 26 minutes with the regular propellers and no gear on it. So we got a gimbal protector, landing gear, and we have those L.E.D propellers on it. And stay tuned because a little later in the video, well, a little later today, I'm going to take it out at nighttime. And we're going to get it with all the propellers on it. I got another set of these at home, so no sweat. I mean, they're real pretty and stuff, but I did want to do this test to see the performance with the propellers on. So, with those LEDs on. So, keep flying it around. Oh, there's our warning. We bring it back. Now we're critically low. Let's go down to 0 with this battery. Okay, we're very red now. We're under a minute. Get it up here. Just gonna let it land now. We'll let it land. We got the full 21 minutes, so I think that's fantastic. Let's see if the drone will run on 0 power. 14 seconds. 13. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely no power left. It's still running on 0. Sensing me under the drone, it's moving away. We'll go up about 100. I think I got the return to home set for about 130 feet. Let's see how well we can see it when we're that high. Still see it.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Alright, I'm up about 137 feet. It's still in plain view. So, that's a good thing.